उसके अंदर ही रखना, बाहर मत निकालना।
It was a pleasure. Thank you.
नो अभी आप इधर बैठो। अमायरा आप इधर आ जाओ पापा के पास।
तुम्हें वीडियो बनानी ना तुम आगे चले जाओ।
ओके फाइन। बेटर। थैंक यू। से हाय। प्रिया मायरा आरव।
आराम से।
Hi.
Smile.
Everyone ready? Yes.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. अगर आप मुझे मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हो तो आपको पता होगा कि मैं दुबई गई थी लास्ट वीक। हम गए थे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और हम अराउंड 7 AM पहुंच गए थे और फिर हमने थोड़ा सा रेस्ट किया। इन इवनिंग वी वेंट टू दिस गॉर्जियस प्रॉपर्टी यू गाइस। 7 स्टार होटल है, बहुत ही फेमस होटल है। इट्स कॉल्ड द बुर्ज अल अरब। आई लिव्ड इन दुबई फॉर 7 years, पर मैं कभी भी इस प्रॉपर्टी को अंदर से विजिट नहीं किया है। आई हैव नेवर एक्सप्लोर्ड दिस प्रॉपर्टी, बट टुडे आई विल बी टेकिंग यू गाइस अलोंग और मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी दैट हाउ लग्जूरियस, हाउ रॉयल दिस प्रॉपर्टी लुक्स from inside. This hotel has luxurious suites, royal suites, and 9 restaurants, 4 pools, private beach, and luxurious spa. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. अगर आप इस होटल को अंदर से एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो, आपको ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करवानी पड़ती है या आप अपने ट्रैवल एजेंट के थ्रू भी बुकिंग करवा सकते हैं। इसका जो कॉस्ट है फॉर एडल्ट्स इट्स 240 दिरहम्स और आप किड्स के लिए पे कर सकते हैं 90 दिरहम्स।
My name is Rashid. I'm from Dubai. Along with me, Saeed is from Dubai as well. So welcome to Burj al Arab. This is the place where people from all over the world dream of visiting, but very few ever reach. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Allow me just for a few moments to share the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President, Prime Minister of the UAE, and the ruler of Dubai. His Highness wanted to create something that has never been designed before and will never be designed again. A landmark to put Dubai on the global map. So he needed to find the best person to bring his vision to life. So basically a competition was arranged and it was won by one of the most famous interior designer called xoxo. Please do remember her name as you're going to hear her name a few times during your journey today. Shortly we're going to walk through these doors into the hotel lobby. As we get into the lobby, I want you to observe 3 things. The first one is on the right hand side of the lobby, you might spot one of our special
Oh my god. It's so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful.
Out of the we saw the lobby since 1999. It's going to be the new terrace that you see in front of you. Added back in 2016.
It's fast,
And he did mention about the 4 elements, right? The 4 colors, he focused about that. You know,
अच्छा हम सबसे ऊपर जाएंगे ना?
Yes. How old are you, buddy, sir? How old are you? 24. Oh, 25.
Of course, when you come to this floor, straight away you're going to see 24 karat gold ceiling. This is the floor. For 22 years, Burj al Arab didn't open it even for the in-house guests to come to this floor. Because basically this is the floor where royalty and celebrity comes and stay. So everything you see is real gold. Not only that, now all of you are royalty and celebrities. Why not, right?
Yeah.
You paid for it, so why not? So let's go. We're going to show you the royal suite.
Oh.
Going to start is the royal suite. And after you finish from that, you're going to be in the experience suite on the left hand side where it is going to be self-guided tour.
Okay.
So you can take as much time you want to discover, to look around. And then at the end, you're going to go this way. And then now you know where is royalty and celebrities usually stay whenever they come and visit Dubai. Alright? So once you stay here, straight away you're going to have your own private butler. So you're going to live like king and queen. You just order things and everything's done. You don't want to go in the special Rolls Royce in the lobby. Don't worry, 3 floors is the famous helipad with the helicopter waiting for you to take you to any of the destinations.
Okay.
You don't want to eat in any of Jumeirah Group restaurant. Don't worry, the chef will come to you and cook for you and your loved ones. Why? Because you are in the royal suite and we're going to treat you like royal. So are we all ready?
Yes.
Shall we knock the door and see what happens?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do that. Da-da-da-da.
So close.
Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj al Arab. Please come in. I've been expecting you.
Wow. This is stunning.
Hello, everyone.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Good, good.
Thank you, Rashid. So, hello again, and my name is Darren. I will be your royal suite butler throughout your journey. So that means whatever you want or need during your stay, it will be my pleasure to make it happen. So tell me, do you like the entrance hall?
Yes.
It's fine, yeah? For me, I personally love the impressive golden marble staircase. And if you actually look up, you can see the 24-karat gold-plated ceilings, walls, and even your very own private elevator. This is all designed to amaze and delight your guests. Now you can take field photos and videos as much as you want, but I do ask to keep up as a group because I don't want to mix you with other groups. So are you ready for your first glimpse?
Yes. Yep.
Please follow me. As we are about to enter the living room, get ready for a burst of color.
Oh my god. So pretty, so pretty.
I'm talking about a burst of color. Can you see the color orange on the wall this side
Yeah.
and the red on the other side?
Yeah.
Well, would you believe me if I tell you that this silk golds around you change color depending on the sunlight and its position?
Oh, okay.
And we have antiques and artworks from all over the world, like for example at the back, the Japanese screen. It actually dates back to the 19th century, which is over 200 years old. And look at that beautiful view of the palm. But if any one of you seen a gold-plated TV before? No one?
No.
Let me be the first one to show you. And this is a 24-karat gold-plated TV. It's custom-made for Burj al Arab back in 1999. It's 55-inch and 55 kg.
Even this?
Even that.
Oh wow. It's all gold.
And this is my favorite room.
Yeah.
Seated for 12 people. Any questions to ask me?
Yes, what did you say at the beginning when you entered this room? Sorry.
So this room represents the 4 elements. You can see the sun, it's fire, the sky and the clouds is air, the flowers is earth, and the whole building is surrounded by water, which is 4 elements.
Okay. Sunburst room. Sunburst room. Nice. This is all gold, you guys. This is gold. Gold, 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 gold. Gold, gold, gold.
Handmade, like I said,
Gold.
all the way from India, it's Kashmir.
This is gold. And
And
this is Kashmir carpet. Wow. Nice. All gold. ये मुझे लगा ये भी शायद गोल्ड है, but this is gold. ये सब गोल्ड है.
This is not available for in-house guests, it's an attraction now. And if you step closer to the bed and you look up, you can actually see the secret mirror positioned directly above the bed. As they say, a woman should be able to look at her beauty from all the angles. Especially in the morning, right?
Yeah.
So that makes us
It's all gold, you guys. All gold. Look at this.
So ladies and gentlemen, those two.
अब मेरी है तो ये है. ये देखो मतलब गोल्ड में रह रहे हैं तो इतना ही होना चाहिए वरना ना ही हो बंदा अमीर मीडियोकर ठीक है हम
Welcome to the Majlis.
वाओ so pretty
And Majlis, because it's a traditional Arabic meeting space. It's similar to the living room, but it's more traditional. And you can imagine the celebrities that have stayed in this suite. Well, just to mention a few, Selena Gomez, Gigi Hadid, Wayne Rooney, Lewis Hamilton, and even Nelson Mandela have stayed in this suite.
Who paid for that? Nelson Mandela. Government.
Sorry?
The government paid for that.
He was a president and he got paid as a president.
Oh, yes.
This part, third one, and the last part is this side, where you can stay in the lounge. You can take pictures, videos.
this is a architect studio
In the whole hotel,
These are the designs.
2,000 square meters of concrete. Approximately 25% of that is located within this ballroom.
basically living room, sleeping room, This is fashion atelier. ये इनकी पोशाक होंगी ना डोरमान greeting desk staff. This is guest service executive. Butler. And this is dining at Burj al Arab. Nice. That's good. That's good. Sky View Bar and Restaurant, Gold 127. ये इन्होंने डाइनिंग का रखा है ये यहाँ पे अंडर वाटर भी है पता है 3500 फिश 56 ट्रॉपिकल स्पीशीज होती है वो ना इनके रूम्स के अंदर है हाँ हाँ
डाइनिंग करते हो तो तुम देख सकते हो
हाँ प्रॉपर आप सी देख सकते हो हाँ इवन रूम्स के अंदर भी ऐसा ही है एटलांटिस में भी है बट वर्थ है भैया ये एक्सप्लोर करना
Ready? Yes? Go. Thank you.
Thank you.
The coffee also.
So soft. So good.
Yeah.
Seedless है.
Okay.
Too good, yeah. Let's enjoy with the view. अच्छी है भैया कॉफी नो अच्छी है इट्स गुड नो नो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट ट्राई
उसमें हेलीपैड पे ना फोन पे तो मेरा कि आगे मत जाना ना गिर जाऊंगी
टेस्ट करो टेस्ट तो करो
ऐसे जाते हैं ना
अच्छा टेस्ट तो करो
पॉकेट में
अच्छा लो ना
Which coffee is it? This is Arabic coffee. Okay. Can I have it more? Yes.
That's the view. Myra, you enjoy it? Remove your mask. I see a cute face, my Guga. She's such a cutie pie. She looks like Peppa Pig. Not look like, she speaks like Peppa Pig. How you speak, Myra?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Who's your favorite character in Peppa Pig?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Mummy Pig.
Mummy Pig. You like Mummy Pig? You're good buddies, right?
से loudly
Yes.
And this is Ria, my beautiful girl.
And Daddy.
Ria, you love auntie?
No.
She didn't. I didn't ask you, Arav. I'm asking Ria.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the view. That's Burj Khalifa, Ria. Can you see the tallest building over there? The tallest one. See?
That one with the
Yeah.
pointy stick.
Yes, the tallest one. Can you see that? The pointy one? That's called Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa.
What's Jumeirah?
Jumeirah. This is the area called Jumeirah.
Oh.
So maybe that's a hotel which is under construction right now. So that's it with this video, guys. I had a beautiful experience exploring this gorgeous property, the Burj al Arab. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, give this video a big thumbs up, like it, share it, and yeah, comment me down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.